Good time to do it. We are looking at some rough weather earlier tonight. Tornadoes, some people thought, but it's a funnel cloud and also water spout. We have pictures and videos on mysuncoast.com as well as my Facebook page. You're not going to see the video of the tornado or the water spout right here, but you can go to Facebook and Bob Harrigan at ABC7 to check it out. Here's a look at the Van Wezel webcam showing some clouds around this afternoon, but not many, and then all of a sudden it just opened up right along the coast as the sea breeze was held in check, and now skies are looking a little bit better out there. Good news for football Friday night. As the storms are weakening, there's still some out there. There still could be a spotty shower here and there. High pressure now in control of the Carolinas, bringing us that east to northeasterly wind flow, which is converging with the sea breeze front. It has yesterday did the same thing today and tomorrow and Sunday too. There's that heavier rainfall now, outflow from the storms that were around central Sarasota now heading off to the north and should clear the area within the next half hour or so out of Palm View as well as Holmes Beach. Pretty heavy rainfall right now, and an isolated lightning strike not out of the question with this cell in particular as it makes its way toward Pinellas County. But in Venice and Osprey and Inglewood, things are calming down quite considerably. But look at all the rainfall near the coast. That's because of that strong easterly wind and that sea breeze not able to get too far inland. So that's where the convergence set up. And right there, bullseye near Gulf Gate and out towards Siesta near the Point of Rocks, 2.9 inches estimated from the Doppler radar site, a little less amount to the north end of Siesta Key. That's where the water spot was spotted, by the way, at the North Bridge on Siesta Key. So the Futurecast calling for some clearing skies through this evening. And once we get rid of this rainfall now, mainly over Manatee County, things will get a bit nicer. And then we'll see the showers and storms developing again tomorrow afternoon right along that sea breeze front. And they'll get rather heavy at times. And there's a potential that we could see some interesting weather in terms of heavy rainfall because we could see 2 to 3 inches additional. The ground is saturated, so that rain is going to wash off right into the roadways like we saw today over parts of the Suncoast. Sunday, we do it all over again with showers and storms coming in the afternoon and evening. But most of the day should be okay, so if you have some early tea time or tennis match or a bike ride, it should be all right during the morning and early afternoon. Well, this is an interesting scenario. We talked about it yesterday. We posted it on Facebook the other day. It just got a tremendous amount of hits and shares because of this area of low pressure is somewhat associated with the remnants of what was Florence. Now the National Hurricane Center has put out a special report as of 4 o'clock this afternoon, giving this now a 30% chance of developing. It had been only at 10%, now 30%, and this area in yellow is the direction that it's going to go, we think, in the next 5 days. So it's going to head south, then to the southwest, and then to the northwest. And get a look at this. There's North Carolina and South Carolina. This is the tropical tracker of this investigated area that the Hurricane Center is watching. And would you believe it? These are the forecast models in 5 days from now, anywhere from South Carolina to North Carolina. Is it going to be as big? It's unlikely. Is it going to get close? It's a possibility. Is it going to hit? It's anyone's guess right now. It just bears watching. If it were to move in that direction, regardless of the size, it would bring a lot of rainfall, not the 30 inches, but still, we're talking 5, 10 could even cause some significant flooding problems because of what's happened. 10% for this one developing, 70% chance for an area out here in the Atlantic, and this one also has about a 70% chance developing over the upcoming days off the coast of Africa, heading off to the west, long way out, so not a big concern right now. So we'll keep an eye on the tropics for you. It's cool, though. At least it's cooled down for the football games. It may be a little wet on the stands there, but 76, still some light rain at the airport, and the winds are out of the east-southeast at 5. Here's the forecast for boaters. Tomorrow, winds will be out of the east, turning around to the northwest at 10 knots. Seas will be running 1 to 2 feet, and the extended forecast then 50% chance for scattered storms in the afternoon on Saturday and Sunday. The same, pretty much. It lessens a little bit on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. Back to you.